You're welcome to another tutorial video on how to generate class grade report. Now, this is always a very important feature that every class and school needs to ensure that they have in check because of the fact that they need some certain gradings and reports for each class, meaning the classes in general and also for students as well. It gets to have you evaluate the activities and the abilities of the students in a more broader view. So all you simply need to do to get into this page is for you to go to the same dashboard we always go to, because that is your powerhouse, and then you go to manage reports. Click on manage reports, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like, comment, and also you can share with friends and family. So you click on manage grade report right below attendance report, and in case you missed the video on how to manage attendance reports, the link is going to be added above for you to see and also learn and know how to generate attendance report. So what you simply need to do is click on class grade report, and when you click on class grade report, you're going to be met with a screen that looks very similar to this. It's always a short form that helps you filter the certain class and the certain range you want this report to come from. So simply, first off, you need to select the class group. Let us say the main school group, and then the report type, let us say the class arm, and of course we can also select which arm and say class 5, and then we can say is it for class 5A or class 5B. Of course we can say all classes, meaning class 5A and B at the same time, and then we can also select the session, which is always the current one, and then you select the term. Let us for example just say auto. So basically the term is what you set manually for yourself, the session is also what you set manually for yourself. It's all linked in the video below in our previous videos. In case you just missed any of them, just take a short documentary to walk, and also you can just move around and click on the videos randomly to enjoy how to do all of these things. So all you need to do is just click on submit, and you should be expecting your class grade report to come out like this. So technically you actually have the full view that mathematics, English, all subjects are already here, and the entire class is going to be given the grading system general for all the students at once. All right, so then you can also export this file as a PDF, also as an Excel format. So you click on the PDF, it also downloads the file for you as PDF format here, and then once you click on the PDF here, it's going to show you the tabulated and well constructed field of the class grade board. So basically we can just return back to the dashboard here, and of course, like we said, you can also convert it to Excel file where you get to edit the figures. Okay, so then afterwards we believe that it also gives you full access to know the strength and weakness of your classes by subjects. So here we have the number of students, that is number of students that took the subjects, and then the subject's average score, which means the general student's performance on that subject's average score. It is 87.63%, and that is for mathematics, and then for English is 65.63%, and for languages as well. Basically all of this is actually, we believe, is going to help you to find the ways to understand that these students are lacking in this field, they are lacking in this subject. Oh, we need to put more effort on this, and also ensure that we can also have specialized hands to treat this subject to make it better. So that is how we're going to be drawing the curtains for this tutorial video. We believe it's something you've been able to learn a lot about, a lot from. So we again will tell you to subscribe. Please subscribe. It means a lot to this channel. Please subscribe, and then afterwards we can say thank you very much for your time, and bye bye.